It all started when I was in high school.
My weekends as a kid were at car shows and drag races.
My great uncle was a board tracker, motorcycles.
My parents weren't into motorcycles. This is all just me teaching myself this stuff.
My dream was to open a store in Los Angeles.
It was just obvious that people needed a space to do their own work.
I've always just wanted like a cool street bike.
I wanted a modern kind of performance bike, but in the retro classic field.
I wanted to build something that was a little more techy.
This is a 1966 Gilera. Starts first kick.
Wanted to build a no-nonsense bar hopper.
It's a 1920 Harley-Davidson. This bike is for sale, 125,000.
I don't want to do this for a living. I don't want other people telling me how to build the bike for them. I'm just doing this for fun.
I don't really care. I'm just building what I want to build.
It was about making the ultimate bike, and I also wanted to prove to myself that I could do it.
I took off as much as I possibly could. That's what I like. You know, some people have accused me of making it too pretty.
I have a motorcycle in my blood.
You could go out and buy something off a showroom floor, but when you do it, when you build it, that's the authentic thing. That's the thing that makes you like a true builder.